Amber Heard has made the difficult decision to settle the Johnny Depp defamation case. Boy, do we have a lot to get into. Welcome back to our channel, everybody. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new here. And we're going to be breaking down Amber Heard's most difficult decision, which she posted on Instagram this morning to settle the Johnny Depp defamation case. I'm your host, Zachary Reality, and let's get into it because Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard was the trial heard all around the world. No pun intended, but the pun was intended. Now, with Johnny coming out victorious and Amber still wanting to fight for her life, months and months of battling this case, Amber has made the difficult decision to settle the defamation case. Now, on June 1st, a Virginia jury ruled that Amber was liable of defaming Johnny in her 2018 Washington Post, in which she described herself as a public figure representing domestic abuse without naming Johnny, but awarding him $10 million and $5 million in punitive damages. Though Fairfax County Circuit Court Judge Penny later reduced the damages to $350,000, which is the state's statutory cap or legal limit, which made his total damages $10.4 million. And in Amber's Instagram statement, she was the one that filed the appeal to the verdict earlier this month, saying that the vilification she has faced on social media is an amplified version of the ways in which women are re-victimized when they come forward. So Amber, she did put a lot on Instagram. You guys should definitely go to her page to check it all out, but I'm going to read part of it because this is obviously something that has been very difficult for Amber. I think that she's really wanted to speak out for herself and her life. I'm also sure it's been very difficult for Johnny. These are two very famous people whose trial was, you know, a very intimate thing heard by people all around the world. So I can't even imagine, you know, this business being out there for both of them. But I guess that's what happened. And, you know, we know Johnny ended up winning and Amber fought for it, but she did decide. After a great deal of deliberation, Amber says, "I have made a very difficult decision to settle the defamation case brought against me by my ex-husband in Virginia. It's important for me to say that I never chose this. I defended my truth, and in doing so, my life as I knew was destroyed. The vilification I have faced on social media is an amplified version of which ways women are re-victimized when they come forward. Now I finally have an opportunity to emancipate myself from something I attempted to leave over 6 years ago and on terms I can agree to. I have made no admission. This is not an act of concession. There are no restrictions or gags with respect to my voice moving forward. I made this decision having lost faith in the American legal system and where my unprotected testimony served as entertainment and social media fodder." You know, it's very sad for both parties. You can hear Amber's emotion in her voice. This is something that she really fought for a long time, and you know, to completely give up on the American legal system, that really scares a lot of people, I think, in society, to know that even if they were done wrong, they can't even go to the court to get things right, and that sometimes money does have more power than what's just. And, you know, I'm not gonna sit here and say I'm Team Amber or Team Johnny. I truly was not the person who was like overly invested in this case, and I didn't really look at all the live streams and pay attention. I know that it was a lot, and I know it hit home to a lot of people, and I know that both of them have been through a lot. So this definitely seems like everyone's going to be moving forward. I mean, she's dropping the case. She's gonna have to just accept that, you know, things ended the way they did, and, you know, she's gonna have to live with that, and Johnny's gonna have to live with that, and their families and their friends. And I mean, this case was truly heard around the world. So we will wish the best to everyone involved, because I feel like with life, it's all about just trying to be as positive as possible and accepting things that we cannot control. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comments down below. Definitely want to hear your perspectives here. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Ring the bell so you're always updated whenever we post. Thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to give me a follow on my socials at Zachary Reality. They're on the screen right now, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.